Okay.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask some questions in regards to like what originally drew you to Veblen.
Yeah, I think I was personally interested, right, on the program for sure. It was quite attractive to have this kind of network available, right, on the for the directors and the board, right, and that was the major motivation to join the.
Okay, beautiful. And any learnings or surprises since joining?
Well, no, not really. I think for sure, probably you heard also from other people. I believe the most important part is really where is your motivation and how you could channel this motivation with the structure you are trying to prepare, right? And I think I joined 2 years ago. The structure was not really there, but I saw the really very, very good work you are doing and helping the people. So making structure is very, very important.